evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentle. Here are today's top stories. The nation pays homage to Father of the Nation Mahatma Gandhi on his birth anniversary. President Draupadi Murmu confers awards for Swatch, Survekshan Gramin 2022 and Jal Jeevan Mission functionality at a function in New Delhi. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma lays the foundation stone for the Nongstoin Mao 8 road in West Khasi Hills. And India take on South Africa in the second T20 International in Guwahati today. The news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu has led the nation in paying tribute to Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat on Gandhi Jayanti. The country today celebrates the 153rd birth anniversary of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, fondly known as the father of the nation. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar and Prime Minister Narendra Modi also paid floral tributes to Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat. Several union ministers, Leader of Opposition in Rajya Sabha Mallikarjun Kharge, Congress President Sonia Gandhi also paid floral tributes to Gandhi. The President, Vice President and Prime Minister visited Vijay Ghat and paid floral tributes at the Samadhi of former Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri. Meanwhile, in Meghalaya, to commemorate the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, Meghalaya Chief Secretary D.P. Walang led the government officials in paying floral tribute to the statue of Mahatma at the premises of the Meghalaya Main Secretariat building. President Draupadi Murmu today conferred the awards for Swatch Survekshan Gramin 2022 and Jal Jeevan Mission Functionality Assessment at a function in New Delhi. In the big states category, the first award for Swatch Survekshan Gramin was given to Telangana, second to Haryana, and the third award was bagged by Tamil Nadu. In small states and union territories category, Andaman and Nicobar won the first award, Dandra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu received the second, while Sikkim took the third award. Addressing the function, the President lauded the government's initiatives for cleanliness, saying the Swatch Bharat Abhiyan and the Jal Jeevan Mission worked as security cover during COVID-19. She added that the work for solid and liquid waste management is underway in 3 lakh villages across the country under the Swatch Bharat Mission Gramin Phase 2.
इंदौर शहर ने शानदार प्रदर्शन करते हुए लगातार 6ठी बार प्रथम स्थान प्राप्त किया है। इसलिए उनमें उनको बहुत बहुत बधाई देती हूँ, सराहना करती हूँ। बड़े राज्यों के श्रेणी में मध्य प्रदेश तथा छोटे राज्यों के श्रेणी में त्रिपुरा ने प्रथम स्थान हासिल किए हैं। उनको भी बहुत बहुत बधाई।
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, in the presence of MLAs Gigur Mirthong and Macmillan Barsat, dignitaries and officials from the district administration on Friday laid the foundation stone for the Nongstoin Mao 8 road at Mao 8 West Khasi Hills at a function held at Mao 8. The 23-kilometer road is being taken up under the Meghalaya Integrated Transport funded by the World Bank. The tender value invited for this project is over 98 crore rupees and the stipulated date of completion of the road is 36 months. During his address, the Chief Minister said that the area has been neglected for a very long time and expressed happiness that the government could once again fulfill the long-pending need of the people of the area. It gives him immense pleasure and a great deal of satisfaction to lay the foundation stone for this very important road, he added.
How the people of this area have been suffering, not just for years, but for decades. I will ensure that we are able to develop this road and give the development to the area, to the people of this area which they deserve and which they have been deprived for the last many, many decades. And a great deal of satisfaction to be here today amongst all of you, to lay the foundation stone for this very, very important road.
The Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation in the Ministry of Jal Shakti celebrated Swatch Bharat Diwas today. On the occasion, President Draupadi Murmu conferred the awards for Swatch Survekshan Gramin 2022, Swachhta Hi Seva 2022, Swachhlam 1.0 and 2.0, Jal Jeevan Mission Functionality Assessment, Har Ghar Jal Certification and Start-up Grant Challenge in New Delhi. In Meghalaya, as part of the Swachhta Hi Seva campaign, the Shillong Municipal Board conducted a cleaning drive cum awareness program and tree plantation at Motpran and Garikhana. During the program, the CEO of the Shillong Municipal Board, J.P. Lakyang, administered the Swachhta Hi Seva pledge, and students from IIPS and William Carey University, Shillong, took part in a street play.
सन 2014 को स्वच्छ भारत मिशन ग्रामीण की शुरुआत से सब तक अभी तक ये 11 करोड़ से अधिक शौचालय का निर्माण हुआ है और लगभग 60 करोड़ लोगों ने खुले में शौच जाने की अपनी जो आदत को बदल दिया है। ये खुशी की बात है कि इस मिशन के द्वारा भारत ने वर्ष 2015 से संयुक्त राष्ट्र द्वारा निर्धारित सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल 6 को 2030 की समय सीमा से
The district level observation of the National Voluntary Blood Donation Day was organized by Jowai Civil Hospital Blood Center in collaboration with MAX and NHM Meghalaya on the theme Donating Blood is an Act of Solidarity, Joint Efforts and Save Lives on Saturday. The felicitation program was organized in the conference room wherein local MLA Wailat Miki Shala attended the program as the chief guest. Speaking on the occasion, Shala acknowledged the act of generosity of the regular voluntary donors, mentioning the importance of blood and the need of having adequate supply of blood in the blood bank centers. He encouraged more donors to join the good cause.
Lali di school, colleges, kenapa orang senang toy? Yaki, lima agak ni kesini lala buat dan boni nak ipat bak yang senang toy yang koridor yang isna.
Over to sports in cricket, the Indian team will play their second T20 against South Africa at the Barsapara Cricket Stadium in Guwahati today. The match will start at 7 p.m. The Indian team will be led by Rohit Sharma, while the South Africans will be captained by Temba Bavuma. In the first match played on the 28th of September, the hosts had defeated the visitors by 8 wickets in Thiruvananthapuram. And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature was 24.5 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 17.9 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 84%, dropping marginally to 83% in the evening, with no rainfall recorded. The forecast tells us light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at a few places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And now for a quick recap of today's top stories. The nation pays homage to Father of the Nation, Mahatma Gandhi, on his birth anniversary. President Draupadi Murmu confers awards for Swatch Survekshan Gramin 2022 and Jal Jeevan Mission functionality at function in New Delhi. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma lays the foundation stone for the Nongstoin Mau 8 Road in West Khasi Hills. And India to take on South Africa in the second T20 International in Guwahati today. That's all the news we have today. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening.